This is Harrah's Las Vegas, a budget-friendly hotel with a rich history. Since it first opened as the Holiday Casino in 1973, it's become famous for its world-class dining, sprawling casino, and prime spot, right in the middle of the Strip. But this isn't the same hotel it was in the 70s or even the early 2000s. This is the new and improved Harrah's Las Vegas, reopened in 2021 after a $200 million renovation. So what changed at one of Vegas's most popular budget hotels? Let's dive in. If you've never seen Harrah's, I'm guessing you're not a regular in Sin City. Over the years, Harrah's prime location has become more than just a draw for tourists. It's a key part of its identity. It sits directly across from Caesar's Palace, just a short walk from the fountains of the Bellagio, and only a 10-minute drive from McCarran International Airport. Harrah's even has its own monorail station, making it super easy to access the rest of the Strip. For all these benefits, you'd imagine the Harrah to charge a pretty packet for its rooms, right? Well, not exactly. Rooms here can incredibly start in as little as $49, making Harrah's easily one of the most affordable hotels on the Strip and a firm favorite of budget tourists. Even though it was once a budget hotel, Harrah's didn't skimp on the upgrades. In the past decade, the property has undergone extensive renovations, costing nearly $200 million. The latest phase, completed in 2021, saw the owners modernize the rooms, expand the casino, and introduce several new restaurants. Upgrades were also made to the pool area, spa, and other facilities. This massive investment was aimed at solidifying Harrah's reputation as a premier destination, offering guests an elevated and modernized experience across the property. And it seems to have worked. The hotel, which once had a reputation for its outdated decor and smoky interiors, has now transformed into a luxury property that offers VIP service, platinum check-in options, limo service, and more. During its recent renovation, Harrah's Las Vegas has upgraded almost all of its 2,500 plus rooms. Today, its offerings range from affordable properties that put budget tourists in the heart of the Strip to premium suites with separate living spaces, huge bathrooms, and stunning views. The hotel's revamped Valley Tower now features 3 categories of suites, each which come with amenities that are hard to find at even some 7-star offerings. This includes a wet bar, whirlpool tubs, and separate bedrooms and living rooms. On one end of the spectrum are the Valley Executive Suites, which span nearly 700 square feet and have separate dining and living areas, rain showers, and a tub. On the other hand is the 2,000 square foot Valley Penthouse Suite, which has much of the same, but with the addition of a foosball table and a bar area that makes it perfect for entertaining. Imagine waking up, stretching out on your sofa, and sipping coffee as you soak in the vibrant life outside your window. Harrah's ensures that every guest, regardless of their budget, can experience this slice of luxury. Now let's talk food. Harrah's has some amazing restaurants on site, each of which could easily serve you the best meal of your life. Anchoring the restaurant's gastronomic offerings is celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay's Kitchen. Here, you can try all the TV chef's most identifiable dishes, such as his beef Wellington and sticky toffee pudding. But that's not all. Harrah's Las Vegas is also home to the iconic New Orleans institution, Ruth Chris Steakhouse. Here, you can enjoy the perfect sizzling steak paired with spectacular panoramic views of the city, an award-winning wine, or a handcrafted cocktail. For something more casual, you've got the Fulton Street Food Hall for grab-and-go bites and Buddy Vellastro's Pizza Cake for inventive pizzas in a neon-lit setting. Whether seeking a quick meal or a one-of-a-kind culinary experience, Harrah's diverse collection of restaurants ensures there's something for every palate. Guests can also order through the unique Caesar Eats delivery service. Now on to the heart of Harrah's, the casino. Following its renovation, the hotel's dimly lit gaming area has now made way for an 87,000 square foot gambler's paradise featuring sophisticated design, modern facilities, and state-of-the-art machines. With over 1,000 slot machines, a 24-hour Keno parlor, 60-plus table games, and a 12-table poker room, the Harrahs Casino caters to every type of player. The revamped space also features the massive Caesars Race and Sportsbook, where guests can bet on their favorite sports or simply sit back and watch the game. It doesn't matter what you do, you'll feel the energy. The atmosphere is contagious. You can't help but get swept up in the thrill. Harrahs keeps the fun going with some of the best entertainment on the Strip. Since 2021, Donny Osmond has headlined his solo residency at Harrah's showroom. If you're unsure about whether the show is worth catching, consider this. In his 60-year-long career, Osmond has sold 100 million albums, earned 33 gold records, and crossed 65 releases. This show is a must-see for music lovers. For those who prefer a bit of lighthearted humor, there's also Menopause the Musical, while adults can enjoy the ex-country burlesque or make their way to the lively outdoor Carnival Court Party. Not in the mood for a show or party? Not a problem. You can also chill on a daybed by the pool, order VIP bottle service to your private cabana, or unwind at Harrah's Spa with a range of relaxing treatments and massages. At the end of the day, Harrah's Las Vegas isn't just a hotel, it's a full experience. Whether you're here to test your luck, dine at top-notch restaurants, catch a show, or just relax, Harrah's has something for everyone. If you're planning a trip to Las Vegas, Harrah's should definitely be on your list.